Hey friends, hey family, just getting Yoda out for a second, just out in the yard for a second, just out in the back. I'm just getting over a little bit of a cold, a little bit of flu, a little bit of mucus release. I thought I would just jump on and say hello because I've been absent for a little bit. I just wanted to talk a little bit about cold and flu a little bit because, there's so much, I think, misunderstanding and I think miseducation about cold and flu. Coming off of the holiday season, it's a big emotional time. Cold and flu is a release of mucus. It's a natural thing. It's nothing to be worried about. It's nothing to be ashamed of. It's nothing to be afraid of. We don't have to be afraid of other people that have the cold and flu. Cold and flu is germs, virus, bacteria within ourselves that becomes to a critical point, comes to a critical mass that it must be released. It's emotional, it's mental, and it's bacteria and virus. So it's physical, it's a living entity. So it's physical, it's mental, and it's emotional, and it's a release, and it's natural. And we have to do it, and it's how the body heals itself. Cold and flu is the release of mucus. Mucus is the disease of the body. It's the disease in the body. It's the only disease of the body in the body. It's what the body does when the body has something toxic in it. When there's something toxic in the body creates mucus to try and rush it out of the system, out of the vessels, out of the immune system. It tries to clear the immune system. It tries to clear the nasal passages. It tries to clear out the digestive passages by sending mucus through the system. This is how the body clears itself. The body creates mucus when there's something toxic inside. It's as simple as that. It's not more complicated than that. Now that mucus, it holds, it's warm, it's in the darkness of the vessels of the body. So it's in the dark, it's in the warmth. So virus and bacteria will grow in the mucus. Now, mucus is just a natural response the body has when we put the wrong thing in the body. So when we put the wrong foods in the body, we create mucus in the body. When we put chemicals and drugs in the body, we create mucus in the body. So we create our own sickness and disease. It's not something we get from somebody else. However, when we get around somebody else who's in a mucus release, that can, especially if we think that we can get it, well, then we are receptible to it because we think we can get it. You see, it's our thought that we can get it that opens ourselves up to it. So because we've been told this information since we were young, because we think this, because we are afraid of getting it, that's how we get it. It's fear. Fear is what makes us sick. Here I am, just getting over my sickness, my illness, my mucus release. And sometimes when we get around other people who are doing it, if we're especially afraid of it, then we're susceptible to it. So listen, don't be afraid of somebody else that's sick. If my body needs to release mucus, it's not a bad thing. It's releasing mucus, it's releasing virus, it's releasing bacteria, and it's releasing stagnant, stale, old emotions that need to go away. Do not worry about germs. Germs are within us. We need germs. The body needs germs. Bacteria is a part of the body's health system. We depend on bacteria. It's that we need to have a good balance of bacteria. It's a good balance of healthy bacteria. And we can get a good balance of healthy bacteria by doing some healthy things with some healthy foods and with some healthy actions. Actions that get the body breathing and put oxygen into the body. We want to oxygenate the body. We want to oxygenate the body with living foods, living juices. Fasting helps the body to heal. Emptying out the body. That's how the body heals, through elimination. And movement, stretching and strengthening the body, oxygenates the body and helps the body to eliminate waste as well too. Emotional, physical, and mental waste needs to be removed from the body. This is how we change ourselves physically, mentally, emotionally. We are holistic beings. Have yourself a super awesome, terrific day. I love you.